What's going on, everybody? Elite Motorsports here. Just got in this 2017 Road Glide Special. Stick around to the end of the video for a startup. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Very clean bike. Blacked out front wheel. Blacked out rear wheel. Stage 1 with an air cleaner. Python 2-into-1 exhaust. Mustang seat. Docking hardware for a future passenger backrest, luggage rack, or even a tour pack. Extended rear fender and saddlebags. Dirty air rear air ride. Shifter pegs, highway pegs, passenger pegs. This bike only has 6,961 miles on it. Sounds, front speakers, LED front and rear turn signals. Chrome forks. Extremely clean bike. Let's get a startup. Give us a call at 1-866-427-5398. Thank you.